The silent manifestation killer. How to fix this before it ruins your results. What's the one thing silently sabotaging your manifestations? Even if you're doing everything right, it's not your affirmations. It's not that the universe is ignoring you. It's not that you have bad luck. It's something so subtle people never catch it until they're stuck in the same cycle for years. But today you're going to disarm it for good. Enough of that. The hidden saboteur, micro resistance. Micro resistance, what no one sees. You visualize your script, you know your desire is yours. Yet it feels just out of reach. Why? Why? Micro resistance. These are tiny, unconscious ways we contract against our desires. I'm going to name 3 very common ways. Through these 3 very common ways, we contract against our desires. 1, over-efforting, needing it too badly. 2, ongoing doubt. It's coming, I think. It's coming, I think it's coming. And 3, invisible clinging, checking for results 10 times a day. Did it come? What's going on with it? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Every time you do this, you're sending a message to the universe. I don't truly have this, and it's not coming from me. How to erase micro resistance. Can you do a 5-second sovereignty scan? 5-second sovereignty scan. So close your eyes and tap your collarbone gently and ask, show me where I'm resisting my desire. Show me where I'm resisting my desire. And I'm already doing step 2. Wherever you're feeling resistance, you're going to breathe into that. Wherever you're feeling tightening, I should say, that is resistance. Wherever you're feeling tightening, you may feel it around your chest, your throat, or your gut. Wherever you're feeling tightening, breathe into it and command. Use your word for higher power, universe, creator, angels, ancestors. Use your word for higher power and say, universe, or your word for higher power. Delete all resistance here. Delete all resistance here. Delete all resistance here now. It is done. Me, I get the shakes because that's one of the ways I release. Whew, something just popped out and released. It's very good. Higher power, I would say universe or creator. Creator, release all resistance. Release all resistance here now. It is done. It is done. It is done. When you say it is done 3 times, it's a signal to the subconscious that it's actually done, that it happened and it worked. Another way to release micro-resistance is by the dandelion release. This is especially good for over-efforters, people who try too much, work too hard. Imagine your desire is a dandelion puff, and instead of gripping it, blow it gently into the wind and say, I don't need to chase, it's already mine. So blow the imaginary dandelion puff and say, I don't need to chase, it's already mine. Do this whenever you feel pushy, like you're checking your bank accounts, overly contacting somebody that you want to do business with or want to connect with, or if you keep refreshing emails and doing behavior like that. And another way, this is way 3, you can play the silent witness game. And this is for people who doubt on autopilot. For 24 hours, observe your thoughts like a neutral scientist. Every time doubt whispers, like what if this doesn't work? Smile and think. Interesting story, not mine. This starves doubt of the attention it's trying to get from you, which shrinks its power. Why clearing micro-resistance is the missing link. When you clear micro-resistance, manifestations feel effortless. There's no more trying. Your synchronicities multiply. The universe loves a relaxed signal. You embody having it. Instead of chasing it, you're at peace. Your energy signals you're at peace with having it. And if you're at peace with having it, you get it. You get to have it. Without this, you'll keep trying to manifest what you desire. Since we're always manifesting, you will continue to manifest lackluster manifestations, something good with something not so good, but you'll only manifest the crumbs of what you desire, of what you really want. of what you really want, because resistance dilutes your magnetic pull. And trying too hard, over efforting, making everything hard, doubting, buying into the doubt that you hear, and the invisible clinging, always checking on outcomes, checking, did it happen yet? Are we there yet? Did it happen yet? Those kinds of behaviors dilute your magnetic pull, your ability to have what you desire. As a matter of fact, you keep them away from you with that kind of behavior. So what does life look like after you release your micro resistance? And you can use all three of these or just pick one. If these make you think of another idea that helps you, then use it. But once you release your micro resistance, imagine waking up. Your desire is handled. There's no urgency, no checking. You laugh. You laugh at old fears, or don't even realize that you had old fears. Because of course, what you desire is yours. Opportunities land in your lap because you're no longer repelling them with invisible tension and resistance and blocks. So now it's your turn. So your mission is to pick one micro resistance tactic today. Then comment released below. And if you comment release below, I'll personally theta heal your response for faster breakthroughs. If you want part 2, how to manifest while sleeping, theta state secrets, come back so you don't miss it.